Here is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. I'm going to show you how to auto rotate and lock the orientation, okay? So really quickly, okay, so I got the GoPro on. Let me just scroll down, okay? Now you can see that I'm looking for this icon right here, this photo right here, okay? So that's the screen orientation right here, okay? So if I tap on that, now the orientation is locked, okay? Now you can see the icon, the photo changes. So orientation all, you can see the arrows. You can turn it vertical or horizontal, or I can go ahead and lock it and then the icon here changes, okay? So right now, let me just, okay, so orientation is all. So now it doesn't matter which way I rotate it, it will automatically rotate. And of course, even if you're on the camera here, you can see it even goes upside down and the other way and so on, okay? So let's say I wanted to keep it in this like landscape or basically a horizontal orientation here, okay? So if I want to do that, make sure it's the right way that I want it. Now I'm gonna scroll down and now I'm gonna tap over here, okay? Boom. Now it's locked, okay? So now that it's locked, now it's not gonna rotate at all. Now if I wanted to go ahead and keep the GoPro in a vertical position like this, or basically a portrait position, I have to first go ahead and scroll down, and I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. I'm going to let it rotation all, and now let me just turn it the way that I want it. So let's say I want it like that, or actually I would want it probably like this. And then from here, I need to lock it, so I can tap down here, and now orientation is locked, okay? So now it's going to stay in that same position. So you can see it right there.